Given they when I get mentioned was in Kitana video and I trendy nga Mbaka. People are saying that the Zion are happy. Mbaka Kuila, the Zion are happy. Somebody like me, I will still say it. Mathias Abraham, you know, Koja Buanana. But you just see this grace that in a Catholic priests may have me Mathias opportunity in this Ukwa Kobetiononia. It is something you should have ended a long time ago. Everybody are gathered when Mathias was in the Catholic or no, which in a nine of man, one who did there. Or Mathias and it is a Catholic or no. I felt so ashamed seeing that video. Just by posting it, yes, I posted it with my full chest. But I felt so ashamed and disappointed. Or Mathias didn't determine is only fake no original. Mathias wa Bible oko. Dina yafia Mathias sinafia Ezeaku ejofo. And he's still proud to say that now. Yes, now he's proud to say and to do what he said. Funding and rejoicing. Nobody is rejoicing because Mathias quit Zion. Nobody is rejoicing about that. Because in haido to one can what you did, in aquadi dot one cause each. How can a very responsible man be agreed that Mathias in Equal Zion, where he was emphasizing on the both of them? Just that he hit Ebukobi more. He hit Masimo, he hit Rev Mbaka more. Kali Ebukobi. That doesn't mean that he's supporting Zion. Let us sit down and see the bigger picture there. Hoo-ha. God the one.
Guys, I hope you guys are doing well. Who is calling me with this number? I don't know this number. Who is calling me? The way people are calling me with different numbers. So some people are saying that I'm now supporting Mathias. So does it mean that I'm now supporting Mathias this, that, and that one? I'm not laughing and if that is what you guys think, then you are right. You know, sometimes I always allow people to believe or not believe about me and think whatever they want to think about me. You know, one thing I know is that truth is always bitter. You understand? And matter of fact, what Matias said was real bitter truth. I've been saying it from day one. I said it last year. I've said it countless times this year. That the major reason why Evangelist has so much enemy today is because of this the same man on Atiaka Crackers biscuit. You know? I've been saying that. Someone called my attention on that Matias video. And I was like, if I say, more so don't they use Matias. So. If I say Matias done for once, allow the Holy Ghost to use him. You know? So, when you guys said, am I now supporting Matias or whatever? Matter of fact, if you trace back the way I do my thing 3 years ago, 4 years ago, 5 years ago, I always say that the guy is not actually wrong in all these things he's doing. It's just that he failed to understand that you got to allow people to deal with whatever they believed. Nobody is saying that Christianity is 100% okay, 100% right. Same with them, the traditionalists, or even the Muslim. No religion is perfect, you know. But where I have problem with him is that he always generalized everything, you know. So, but this is not the reason why I'm trying to come on live. I'm heading to the gym. I want to go to the gym, but I just feel like, okay, because I'm seeing people saying, so you are now supporting Matias because he do this and you are laughing, including some Zion members. If that is what you think, no problem. You know, the fact remains that some of you don't understand how blogging works. You know, you don't understand how blogging works. So sometimes, like I always tell you guys, that one you don't understand how it works. Just leave it, leave it. Allow those that understand how it works, you know, to deal with it. The guy said nothing but the truth. Matthias don't know who is Evangelist Ebuka from anywhere. We have been here on this social media space doing this blogging of a thing. You know, some of you that came across my page recently thought that I started blogging when I came to Canada. No. Those of you that you don't think I know be today something. I always say that Matias started dragging Evangelist Ebuka after Evangelist Ebuka came out openly, when no father, no evangelist, no preacher came out to defend Elijah Enugu, when Matias was dragging him like small tiger generator. Now take a crackers biscuit. All this in the father way they form ndi ezigbo father, I query ndi ayeyeyo, I query ndi adoration. All these preachers, all these evangelists. After I let you whoa, Imakonye Elijah Enugu, Imakonye Elijah Enugu, Obonka, Evenka, Itoyo, Maria, hey, Kadime, na timbu na page hop and down. When Matias was pressing Elijah Enugu on his neck, Oge Matias na doya na akpa, none of them said anything. Matias ana take a crackers biscuit day in, day out on his page. Oh, yeah, one coach Remeru topic. Then, of which I'm among the people trying to counter Matias to allow Elijah Enugu to breathe. Then, what happened? Evangelist Ebuka came out openly. I think he did that twice to warn Matias to stop talking to his daddy like that. Thank God Matias just said, the main reason why I posted this video is the, you know, justification Matias made there. Because I've made that statement several times, but some of all these Umuekperima that started doing blogging, don't know what is. They don't even know the genesis of this whole social media Christianity, whatever. You know. But they say Ebuka came out to warn Matias not to drag his daddy anymore. Matias now leave Elijah Enugu. And focus on Evangelist Ebuka. Or Tariaka crackers biscuit. Then, laying all sort of allegation. Uno na ministry. Or Sinobugia. One boy. Then, that one, I can never forget that one. I was in Asaba Delta State filming. One guy, they said they gave testimony. And according to people, the guy is a nice person. You know. Now the guy who something like, I don't know if it's cancer or whatever. He came to Zion ministry and I don't even know what happened. The guy let that by. Matias carried the guy picture and the video where the guy was giving testimony in Zion ministry. Made it on his page and and this on a bugonya. Here Matias do Evangelist Ebuka that period. I was shooting in Asaba Delta State after watching that video. Boy, I gave Matias hot that period. He was doing all these things because of Evangelist Ebuka tried to caution him to leave Elijah Enugu openly. When none of these evangelists and their father, my brother father, or brother 30 years, none of them said anything. I'm not any of them will make exist in social media. Thank God Matias just said it. And I know the reason why I reposted this video. If I know sometimes or didn't know Kayama he high neku. I say now I can Igbo Zion. I can now go to gym na get safe na. One time I'm bench original. Now I can Igbo Zion. Nka jueme nke eme ho. That is the reason why. Kini ko di be nke eme ho. You know? So I know the reason why I reposted that video. Because some of you know Matias. That Omar only evangelist Bukao. I don't know him. Just like he said. Because of Elijah Enugu. And you stated there fact. For those of you that has been here for a very long time. Here Matias could deal fact. You know? Then for those of you who perima, the ayeyeyo, that are not saying that, come, that are not saying that, so you are not supporting Matias because he said, when you guys are telling perima belle face, write down, oyilaja ndi mkpụrụ mmiri na ndị ngọkpala, lie down, ijele, kezi afa. So you guys don't know that it's not good. They are talking against Christianity. Yes, you're not supporting them. Una wuju, ndi Chineke brono, ndi Chineke ga-akpọ ọkụ ụmụ Christian na arụmana, ụmụ na arụmana. When all of you are busy supporting all those ones that are talking against Evangelist Ebuka and Zion ministry, knowing fully well that they are not Christians. Una echeteho that nke a ji eme na ha na-ekwi under favor. Ha na-ekwi under favor. Yes, Matias is my favorite. Matias is my damn favorite now. Because again they na-ekwu against them ministry. You all are supporting them with your yellow teeth, with your green and black teeth. Ichefu na ha antichrist. Onwe ha na-eme onye dibia buru Evangelist Ebuka Obi tawa ka crackers biscuit. Unu nchari na-ewu ndị adoration ndị ayeyeye awa chapter ji na page ya asị yes. Ichefuo na onye antichrist ka ọwụ. Kita ka ịma na Matias has na yes o. Matias has become my favorite. Eziokwu ka ọ na-ekwu. You and I know that Matias is saying the truth. You know? Bịa. Bịa tutupu yoyo, bịa tinye ya na boot ka nsi ebe a pụọ. Don't waste my time. Ọkwakwa m niile ka ikpute. Onwe white nji wee jee ọrụ on Wednesday, I think. Ekoghị m ya hanga, otekwere ya? Okay. You know, you all are now saying you are not supporting Matias. This one, yes, so I'm supporting Matias. Yes, because you are also supporting all these people that are talking against Zion ministry. Call them udele, onye mkpụrụ mmiri, belle face, and even orileanya ndị mkpụrụ mmiri bụ Governor Ezeaku. When they started dragging Zion, Ununcha Ukojo na their page, was he a fan or favorite? Ichete hoga na this one Jimmy that one. Let me tell you guys the truth. Anyone did puta tomorrow, Kwezioku against Elijah Enugu, I go post them. I go post them. Okay, most of them actually respect you. I'm among the people that build the audience and presence of Christianity on this social media. As you guys don't want to respect yourself, no peace. I keep saying it. Everywhere again, Muroko. Bastards. Okay, takichete. Na Matias o antichrist. I don't support to say Matias. Matias o antichrist. I don't support to say Matias. But oge unu na support ndị nke enyi. Unu amaghị na ha antichrist because na ha na-ekwu against Zion ministry. Ndị Chineke ga-akpọ ọkụ. Ikwu asị gị ihe aka na-akụziri na Zion. Ihe aka na-akụziri na Zion. Ma unu nwa nka na-akụziri na Enugu. Unu na-eje eti ayeyeyeye. Useless motherfuckers. think I care about your emotion? I don't give a damn about your emotion. You think I care about your stupid emotions? I don't care. I don't care about your stupid emotions. And my level in terms of this social media blogging or call it whatever. I don't care about what you think about me. I don't need your validation. I do my thing the way I want to do it. You know? You know? You are doing this one. Some of the idiots hiding at that page. Those page. And Zion ka crackers biscuit in Evangelist Ebuka. And praise her. Ne share everything. Ne jubilate. Then give a post. I better post. He say, stop saying that. Stop saying that. You are causing confusion. You are causing this one. You are doing this one on Christianity. You are doing this one on Christianity. Ndocho. Oya me. Ihe ọjọọ ji ka nkụ n'ala Igbo because onwe onye na-ekwu eziokwu. You know? I will call you back. I'm driving. I will call you when I get to where I'm heading to. I mere ihe ọjọọ ji ka nkụ n'ala Igbo onwe onye na-ekwu eziokwu. Sentiment ga-egbu unu ncha. Chinoma ka a na-akọrọ those things. Disgrace when on somebody said, you guys are now washing your dirty boxers, I be dirty whatever in public. Yes, so Kayen Chasabia in public. That dirty boxers. Kayen Sabia Kamwe no boxers in the ocha. Kamwe boxers yataraki. No ink. Kayen saw the dirty boxers. Kamwe boxers yataraki. No ink yaruruni. See Christian, what idiot to be an assem. Can message you now for sometimes? I remember sometimes and wow. The sentiment gebu, including the bottom preachers. Nchekwena na iya hane preach usihano asusihanobi. Amam na me based on no ka akuoku. Most of them turn channel to content creator. You know. This is part 1, no. I will still post part 2 very early in the morning. Because Matias said a lot. This is part 1. So wait for part 2 in the morning. In your morning. Yeah, in your morning. I will stay awake and do it in your morning. Before I go to bed. Because I don't know how to use for time zone. You know? Ndị Chineke ya akpọ ọkụ, ọ ga-pass na I want to enter that street. Okay, Takuno man, hey, you are supporting Matias. You are supporting Matias because he's saying this thing. He's saying yes, so I'll be supporting him. All I know is self. I for carry 2 bags of rice. Gabin di omena na buzi eziokwu. Ka afugodo rice di agu egbukuo herself. Kita go no phone hey. Ine post Matias. Yes. I was boy omena na buzi eziokwu. Omena na buzi eziokwu na ndụ. Arụkwụsị. Omena na buzi eziokwu na ndụ. Arụkwụsị. Awu bo onye omena na buzi eziokwu. Maka na pụta kwuo eziokwu. Ọ na-eme so we na-ese Matias Evangelist Ebuka. Ọmụadụ onye ọ bụ. You know? Evangelist Ebuka bịalụ ka ọ bịa defend ya dadi ya. Ọ ya mee the other time m furu open heaven ọ na-agụ onye ma ga-eme ga-ewa onye ma. Onye ma ga-eme ga-ewa. Ụlọ ama ihe emegodi ya. Ọ maka ọ na-ekwu okwu. The thing is that any day Evangelist Ebuka will decide to talk, internet go catch fire. Okay, and I command you not to respond to this one. Don't talk, don't respond to this. because no man audible monaheku. Na boy. Now let me stop here. Kanga na ihe laundry nchori igbo ya kwa je you guys should have a nice weekend and have a wonderful night rest. I know that a lot of you guys on this social media, on this Facebook, don't like me. Also, me too. I don't like you. I don't like you. Yes. I know that those of you don't like me. Me too. I don't like you guys. You know? Those that like or love me, I also like and love you guys, you know. But those of you, nah, I know that level in Achoka people like because your likeness cannot even give me money. Unless my likeness a name dollar, you know. So, but apart from that, let me get out of here. Have a wonderful night rest.